Discover the pride of the Philippines. What is the rice capital of the Philippines? Nueva Ecija. Mango capital of the Philippines. Guimaras. Summer capital of the Philippines. Baguio City. Shoe capital of the Philippines. Marikina City. City of Love. Iloilo City. Tona capital of the Philippines. General Santos City. Seafood capital of the Philippines. Rojas City. Hatis City in the Philippines. Tuguegarao City. Coco Pandan capital of the Philippines. Lucena City. Banana capital of the Philippines. Davao del Norte. Strawberry capital of the Philippines. La Trinidad Benguet. Marble capital of the Philippines. Romblon. Pineapple capital of the Philippines. Bukidnon. Surfing capital of the Philippines. Siargao. Durian capital of the Philippines. Davao. Yon lang po ang ating mga capital of the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Bye!